Well, I'm sure you could probably hear that. There's a woodpecker out there somewhere. He's having a good time. January 18th, Saturday, Randy Cupcake Farms, Texas City, Texas. January 18th, like I said, it's just our weekly update, folks, to let you know what's happening out here at the farm. Oh my, we got everything just popping away. Actually, I just walked by. There's them beautiful arugulas. They are ready. Look at this girl. She's ready to either be enjoyed in a salad or be put in the dirt. Rainbow char, not so much. Leeks are really standing tall. They're actually starting to really get their tails up. So in about 3 weeks, I'll be putting all of this out in the soil. Second week of February, I guess. But yesterday, I had to redo 4 flats of onions because I only had like maybe, well, let me get in there close. I only had like 2 onions in each tray, which is 72. Literally only 2 onions popped. So I got onion seeds from a new supplier. And I won't use their name yet just because, I got to see how it works out. But yesterday, like I said, I went ahead and redid 4 trays of onions. Because, I love my onions. Everyone loves onions. Some more arugula up there at the top. Beets are all popping. They're looking so happy. Of course, our delicious tomatoes. But guys, I'm also, yesterday, actually, let me back that up. Yesterday was Friday the 17th. So Thursday, I went ahead and put together a tray of early girl tomatoes. So that's 40 of them. 40 basils, head crisp, or basically head lettuce. I did 2 trays of those. A local restaurant, and we'll talk about who they are later, a burger joint right here in Texas City. How's that sound? We're going to sell them the head lettuce, but we did head crisp, and I also did another one. It's called, where did I stick that tray last night? I don't know. I'm sorry. No, that's well, shucks. I also did a different iceberg lettuce as well. I did the head crisp, but I also did another one. My goodness, what did I do with it? Oh, there it is. It's back here. And I did this one yesterday as well. This one's called crisp head, so a different variety. And the idea is to they were both right around a 60-day from seed to plate. So we'll probably figure more like 70 days. But the idea is to give them an opportunity to choose which one is best, because every day I will plant 40 to 72 of them. It just depends which one they like the best, so that they always have a beautiful rotation of fresh head lettuce. Cucumbers are hanging everywhere. In fact, today my wife and I, we're going to have ourselves some cucumber, some beet greens. Oh, and you're going to love this. We got a couple blushers under here. Hey, girls. So we're going to have a tomato and probably some green beans, because my beautiful bride was out here the other day and she had noticed that these green beans are coming in again. It's ready for another picking. That's one thing I love about snap beans or the top crop green beans is you'll get a good 2 to 3, maybe even 4 pickings before it's time to get rid of and redo those. Of course, I got some more beets coming up in my box. And it's hard to believe that today is so gorgeous here in Houston that tomorrow we're going to wake up to like nothing. We're going to be like wearing our onesies. It's going to be so stinking cold. Potatoes are looking beautiful. Hey guys, basil, everybody's happy in here, and I love that. I absolutely love that. So, and Thursday as well, I did a tray of okra. So I got 40 okra plants that'll also be ready to go out here pretty darn soon. Of course, all of the okra go. No, actually, I'm going to do the okra at the top. I'm going to do it up here at the top this year, and I'm doing corn in the back. I figured I'd separate the two because there's so much height, especially on the okra. We know those they'll just keep on going if you don't stop them. They'll probably reach the sky somewhere. But definitely wanted that on both sides to help kind of shade it and have fun with that. And our broccoli heads are coming in beautifully. Still about a good solid week. Oh, this one here actually, it's getting a little bit closer. It's got a little underhead coming. I got out here a little while ago and cleaned up all the lower leaves. I see there's a few of them just to keep it nice and beautiful and clean. Oh my, folks. This is it, huh? I'm looking forward to a 2025 season. Yesterday, for you on the Nextdoor app that follow me, I sure do love it. Thank you guys for following me over there. But yesterday I planted, our first round of microgreens. And so I did 4 trays of a mixed green, 2 trays of broccoli, and 2 trays of arugula. And again, these are the microgreens. So it's a 5x5 tray. I'm gonna throw these out the door for like $6. I figured, why not? I mean, just, oh my gosh, how can you beat that? There's 0 chemicals, 0 pesticide. There's nothing. Unlike the grocery store, these here are grown with love, organically, or at least as organic as I could possibly get, without actually becoming organic, because I don't want to be that. But look for that. We're going to have some updates on that. I just planted them yesterday, so I know it takes roughly about 3 days to really get them to germinate, and then we'll take the light and put the light above them, because we know 7 to 10 days is the average for microgreens, so that you can put them in your salad. I'm looking forward to that one, and hopefully we'll sell this first batch. I did buy enough to literally do 1,000 of each one of those every day for like the next 6 months. We really loaded up on the trays. We even got the little to-go boxes, little clear plastic totes, so that when you guys do buy it, or if you stop by one of our places to pick it up, it's already inside of a little to-go box, if you will, and it's clean. There's no pesticides. You don't even have to wash it. You could literally just start eating it on the way home, because I don't believe in doing all of that. I love the idea of a organic approach, because that's healthier for our bodies, and if our bodies aren't having to fight all of the chemicals and garbage, we're living a better life. And that is something my wife is teaching me over and over again. It's what we put in our bodies is really important. That determines how much longer we get to enjoy our lives. This side of the grave, of course. But folks, that's it. I'm going to quit talking now. I trust that Houston will be okay. We're going to, like I said, we're expecting a huge freeze. You Arctic folks sent down your big, huge deal. Probably going to knock all my banana trees away. And I got to start fresh. But that's okay. Whew. Well, guys, that's it. Thank you for following along. And hey, I'm going to keep doing this every Saturday until this garden is full. To those gardens back there are full, and we're harvesting daily, weekly. Oh my goodness. You guys are coming by and picking it up here at our little farm. And of course, you know I've already got some deals signed with a couple of restaurants. One in particular, a little local burger joint, that they're going to definitely start using our lettuce heads. And then, of course, another restaurant, I'm going to grow a Cherokee red tomato, or at least we're looking into that. So I'm just waiting for that, and then I'm going to try that out, because those Cherokee reds look good. And they said those things can get up to as much as £1 per tomato. My Lord. Can you imagine the size of that sandwich? Or how many salt shakers you might need? Thanks again for following along with us. I am Randy, Cupcake Farms, Texas City, Texas. Like us, subscribe to us, talk to your friends, family, ask us questions. If you've got an idea that I need to know, tell me. I love good gardening hacks. After all, it's, well, if you want to be a rebel, you got to just grow your own food. And that's kind of my favorite thing to say. Be a rebel. Grow your own food. Y'all be blessed.